Hi, my name is Kim. I'm a naturopathic doctor. I will give sync.com a 4 out of 5 star review. For more reviews like this, click the link below. Prior to using sync.com, I was using Dropbox and Dropbox for Business. It wasn't working out for me because it didn't provide me the secure connection that I needed as a regulated professional. And that's why I made the switch to sync.com. I chose sync.com because, well, it was referred to me by a few individuals who are in the same profession as I am, and it was very easy to onboard, and it was pretty straightforward being able to use it as a business owner. So the user interface of sync.com is pretty bare, so it may seem like you might be missing out on a lot of their features, but actually it's very simple to get started and use their app right away. I would consider what you actually need. So if you need somewhere to store your files that are confidential, and if your profession is requiring you to store your files securely in a local server. So I chose sync.com for one because it is a local Canadian product and its servers are in Canada. So that really ticked off the criteria I was looking for. If you're looking for a cloud storage that allows you to share files, confidential files in a secure manner, that's also a primary reason why you should consider sync.com. And if you're all about simplicity, I feel this is simple enough to get started with. So hope that helps.